What we do here is go back.
Try and clean it.
Bring
it back to a nice gleaming state like it left the factory.
Running on chiv power.
Running on 1 human power at the moment. So a little update of what's happened with the engine. So taking out the car, what we know is this back bank that normally sits over here, this side of the car, all our valves on that one are bent. So they all need replacing. We're still waiting just to find out if this front bank, we just need a test on this one just to find out if there's any problem on that.
Looking pretty good that it's not though.
Looking pretty good, and keeping these fingers crossed. That will save us a lot of money as well. We just have to do the one. So it looks like what happened was the 2 independent belts, the one for this front bank here, it looks like it's slipped and caused the valves to bend. So let's see what the price is like on that to fix it. Okay, so while we're doing that, we're going to clean up all these goodies here. I think we've got a month's worth of work there. Let's see how we get on.